Woke up looking like he went 10 rounds with a pillow and lost. Puffy eyes can be a real confidence killer. But don't worry, we've all been there. Whether it's from a late night, a salty snack marathon, or just your genetics, those under-eye bags are not a life sentence. Today, I'm going to share some amazing, simple, and effective ways to depuff and brighten your eyes, so you can look as refreshed and awake as you deserve to feel. We'll cover everything from quick fixes you can do right now to long-term habits that will keep the puffiness at bay for good. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to puffy eyes and hello to a brighter, more vibrant you, stick around. First up, let's talk about the Instant Relief Squad. These are the tricks you pull out when you wake up and need to look presentable fast. The absolute classic, and for good reason, is the cold constricts blood vessels, which can reduce swelling. You don't need anything fancy. A couple of spoons you've chilled in the freezer for 10 minutes will work wonders. Just gently press the curved back of the spoons against your under-eye area for a few minutes. Another option is chilled cucumber slices. Cucumbers are not just for salads. They're packed with antioxidants and have a cooling effect that helps soothe irritated skin and reduce puff. Plus, you get that spa-like feeling right at home. If cucumbers aren't your thing, try chilled. Use tea bags. Green or black tea bags are fantastic because they contain caffeine, which is a vasoconstrictor, meaning it narrows the blood vessels. Just steep 2 bags, let them cool completely in the fridge, and then place one on each eye for about 5 to 10 minutes. It's a super affordable and effective treatment. Now, let's move beyond the kitchen and into your skincare routine. One of the most powerful ingredients to look for in an eye cream is, you guessed it, caffeine. Just like with the tea bags, a topical caffeine-infused eye cream or serum can help tighten and firm the skin around your eyes by constricting blood vessels. When you apply it, be gentle. The skin around your eyes is the thinnest on your body. Use your ring finger, as it has the lightest touch, and gently tap the product into the skin. Don't rub or pull. A gentle tapping motion not only helps the product absorb better, but also stimulates lymphatic drainage, which we'll talk more about in a bit. Another hero ingredient to look for is peptide. Peptides are amino acids that can help build collagen and elastin, making the skin firmer and reducing the appearance of bags. And of course, hyaluronic acid is a hydration superstar that can plump the skin in a good way, smoothing out fine lines that can accompany Speaking of lymphatic drainage, let's dive into facial massage. It sounds complicated, but it's actually incredibly simple and feels amazing. Our lymphatic system is like the body's waste disposal unit, and sometimes fluid can get trapped, especially around the eyes, leading to puffiness. A gentle massage can help get things moving again. Using your ring finger and a little bit of eye cream or a facial oil for slip, start at the inner corner of your under. Gently tap or sweep outwards towards your temples. Do this several times. You can also use a tool like a jade roller or a gua sha stone. Always keep them in the fridge for that extra cooling and depuffing benefit. With a jade roller, you'd use the smaller end and gently roll from the inner corner to the outer corner. The key word here is always gentle. You're just encouraging the fluid to move, not trying to rearrange your face. Making this a part of your daily routine, morning and night, could make a huge difference over time. So we've covered the quick fixes and the topical treatments. But what about the long-term game plan? A lot of under-eye puffiness comes down to lifestyle. Let's start with sleep. It's not just about getting enough of it, though 7 to 9 hours is the gold standard. It's also about how you sleep. Try sleeping on your back, with your head slightly elevated. You can use an extra pillow to prop yourself up. This position uses gravity to your advantage, helping to prevent fluid from pooling around your eyes overnight. If you're a dehydrated eye or stomach sleeper, I know this can be a tough switch, but even trying it for part of the night can help. Another major culprit is sodium, that delicious pizza or bag of chips you had for dinner. Your body retains water to dilute the excess salt, and that water can show up as puffiness, especially around the eyes. Try to be mindful of your salt intake, especially in the evening. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to help flush out excess sodium and stay properly hydrated. Dehydration can actually cause your body to hold on to water, so keeping that water bottle handy is key. Allergies are another huge factor for many people. Seasonal allergies or sensitivities to dust, pets, or certain foods can cause inflammation and swelling around the eyes. If you notice your eyes get particularly puffy, itchy, and watery at certain times of the year or after being in certain environments, It might be time to chat with a doctor about allergy testing or effective antihistamines. Sometimes, a simple over-the-counter allergy pill or eye drop can be the magic bullet you've been looking for. Also, be mindful of your eye-rubbing habits. When your eyes are itchy, it's a natural instinct to rub them. But this can make the inflammation and puffiness so much worse. It breaks the tiny, delicate capillaries under the skin, which can also lead to dark circles. So, hands off. Try using a cool compress or allergy-specific eye drops to soothe the itch instead. Let's talk about makeup, because sometimes you just need to fake it till you make it. While makeup won't get rid of the puffiness itself, it can certainly help camouflage it. The trick is to use light to your advantage. A common mistake is to pack on a thick, light-colored concealer right on top of the puffiest part of the bag. This can actually highlight it and make it look more prominent. Instead, try this. Take a concealer that's one shade lighter than your foundation. Apply it, not on the puff itself, but in the shadow or a crease just beneath the bag. By brightening that shadow, you create an optical illusion that makes the whole area look flatter and smoother. Then, take a concealer that matches your skin tone and gently tap a tiny amount onto the puffiest part to even out the color. Blend everything carefully with your ring finger or a damp makeup sponge. Set it with a very light dusting of translucent powder to prevent creasing. Also, a little bit of shimmer on your brow bone in the inner corner of your eye can draw attention upwards and away from the under eye area, making your eyes look brighter and more awake. Now, let's tie it all together with a simple, depuffing morning routine you can try tomorrow. Step 1. As soon as you wake up, drink a big glass of water to start rehydrating and flushing your system. Step 2. While you're waiting for your coffee to brew, grab your chilled spoons, tea bags, or jade roller from the fridge and spend 5 minutes applying that cooling, constricting magic to your under eye. Step 3. Time for your skincare. Gently cleanse your face and then, using your ring finger, tap on your caffeine-infused eye cream, making sure to do that gentle outward massage to encourage drainage. Step 4. If you have time, do your makeup using the shadow brightening concealer trick we just talked about. And finally, Step 5. Try to choose a breakfast that's low in sodium, maybe some oatmeal with berries instead of a salty bacon sandwich. This entire routine can take as little as 10 to 15 minutes, but the difference it makes in how you look and feel can be incredible. Remember, consistency is everything. While the cold spoons and concealer tricks are great for immediate results, the real, lasting change comes from incorporating these healthier habits into your daily life. Getting enough sleep, managing your salt intake, staying hydrated, being gentle with your skin, and addressing any underlying allergies. These are the pillars of keeping puffy eyes at bay. It's not about being perfect, but about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. Some people are just more genetically prone to under eye bags, and that's perfectly okay. It's about working with what you have and feeling your best. If your puffiness is severe, persistent, or accompanied by pain or redness, it is always a good idea to consult a doctor or a dermatologist to rule out any other medical issues. They can offer more advanced treatment options if needed. But for most of us, these at-home strategies can make a world of difference. So, to recap our Puffy Eye Bootcamp, for a quick fix, go cold and caffeinated with spoons, cucumbers, or tea bags. In your skincare, look for caffeine and peptides, and always apply gently with a tapping motion. Master the art of lymphatic drainage massage with your fingers or a chilled tool. For long-term prevention, prioritize sleep elevation, hydration, and a low-sodium diet. Don't forget to manage allergies and resist the urge to rub your eyes. And for those days when you need a little extra help, use concealer strategically to brighten the shadow, not the puff. I hope these tips help you face the day with bright, beautiful, and depuffed eyes. Thank you so much for watching today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more skincare tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments below which of these depuffing hacks is your favorite, or if you have any other secrets to share. I love learning from you all. Stay bright, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.